Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.37 Input, finish, base, substrate, top, sheet, price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and/or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, location is base substrate, position is top. Finish is a final coating or solid material on a component or part. On the cost workup sheet, the layout has a structure that can be identified. The finish category on Format 1 cost workup sheets have 420 rows. Finishes start at row 692 with finish glass top sheet and ends at row 1111 with finish fabricator wood finish sheet. Just like in rows 27 through 691, the first group of rows are glass, followed by rows of substrate. The finish shares the pattern. Glass finish is the first, followed by substrate finish. On the table's definitions and abbreviations sheet, Table 17, diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure. Some substrate materials are pre-finished with the final surface finish the fixture requires. Melamine is selected so the interior is finished. The instructions example pedestal exterior surfaces are laminated. 4 surfaces laminated are top, side left, side right, and back. 4 edges around the front, the door opening, are also laminated. The exterior bottom surface will not be laminated, but that does not mean that it could not or should not be laminated in every situation. The door, which is the front panel, will be laminated. The finish cost will be included in the door component cost workup. Row 701, FINISH SBRT TOP OS SHEET is finish substrate top outside sheet. Enter $2.05 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell 701. When the price is entered in cell T701, the total material cost $4.01 for that piece of material is calculated in cell X701. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point, at any time, except while a macro is running. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.37 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.38.